I cut the camera off by accident. I tend to do shit like that. Anyway, so the key, it's really low. Anyway, um, yeah. So, like I said, it's what you harvest out of it. Your memories are always what you're going to take with you anyway. Your memories, your experiences, everything you've learned. Look at that. So basically, um, pretty much on and off. I'm just gonna have a yard sale. So I have like, uh, I'm so, it's like, it's a love and hate thing at the same time because it's like, I didn't even get to wear this. Or, I only wore this one time. But, hey, it is what it is. Change is inevitable. Oh, that's pretty. Cuteness. Get away from me, bloodsuckers. Mosquitoes play too much, man. Seriously. Anyway, let's see if we can find any interesting food. Look, I know you like my smell and everything, but stop trying to freaking eat me alive. Look, it's so beautiful. Look at all that. See? Oh my goodness. Oh, I miss it so much back here. I have to start walking more. Get off of the treadmill and start walking more. Because, see, I said it was low. Look at this. But yeah, my little cool, funky, crystal clear rock that I found, that I was talking about. Yeah, it basically went missing from where I put it at in my bedroom, and I never found it. But whatever. See. It was so cool too, because in the water it was like crystal clear, like it looked like a big hunk of glass. But then as soon as it dried up, it was like opaque white, and it was like solid as a rock. It just looked like it was an average rock, but it was so freaking cool looking. Anything else? I gotta take a few pictures so I can post them on my little maps. And so the pictures begin. I like that. That one is like a marble rock. But when you get closer, you can see there's a cracks in there. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can see. There it is. Taking a few pictures. Anything else interesting to find? Oh, we got a mud pit that was created. Okay. again by accident. Ooh, that's a pretty picture. Oh, no, too much, too much, too much, too much.